Hey, this is your girl, Pinky! Pinky! P-I-N-K-Y! And it's time for Pinky's Entertainment, a YouTube channel providing pure fun, enjoyment, and laughter. Yup, you got that right!
Hey, it's your girl, Pinky, P-I-N-K-Y, and I'm so fly. And today, Pink Panthers, I am going to teach you guys how to do fall signs, okay? Now, I just made a video, ASL Thanksgiving signs, so now this is ASL fall signs, okay? Comment down below some more ASL like topics or things that you guys want me to teach you in ASL, and I'll gladly do it. But like I said, today I'm going to teach you guys how to sign fall signs, okay? Before I start this video, make sure you drop it like it's hot on that like button. Make sure you get low in the comment section. Make sure you on the subscribe button and turn your post notification bell so you know when my next video is going to be here, okay? Please, you guys, it's very important that you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube videos so YouTube can push my videos into the algorithm. And make sure that you go in the comments, slide to the right, and click on the hype notification, because again, YouTube will push my videos more into the algorithm, okay? And make sure you tell a friend, tell your mom, your dad, your uncle, your sister, your brother, your dad, your grandmother, your grandfather, your cousins, your nieces, your nephews, your neighbor, your bully, your enemy, all of them, okay? And let them know that you watch my channels. Not one, but two. Pinky's Entertainment and The Pinky Show, okay? Let's get into it. Now, so like I said, I'm going to teach you guys fall signs, okay? So I hope you guys remember this sign, fall or autumn, okay? You can either do with your hands like this or with your fist, but this is better. So this is fall or autumn. Next is cool. So it's cool. You know, it's simple. You're fanning yourself. It's cool. So it's cool. Okay, cool. Just rock your hand back and forth. Cool. Next is lead. So you get your non-dominant hand and you get your hand like a 5 and then you sway back and forth. This is leaf, okay? This is a leaf. Okay. Next we have pumpkin. So it's pumpkin. Pumpkin. Or you can do orange pumpkin, but this is pumpkin. This is pumpkin. Next is orange. Orange. This is the color. This is, you know, if you want to describe something, this is orange. Okay? The letter O on your chin. Orange. Next is yellow. Yellow. The letter Y, and you just move it back and forth. Yellow. Next is red. Red. Red, you get your index finger and you kind of briefly move your lips and your chin. Red. This is red. Next we have green. Green is the letter G. You sway it back and forth. Green. Green. Next is brown. 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 The letter B, and you just do like this. Slide it down. Brown. Brown. Next is apple. 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 So you get your little knuckle, put it on your cheek, and just move it. This is apple. Like this is candy with the index finger. This is apple. Apple. Okay, next is soup. So you get your non-dominant hand as a bowl, and you get 2 fingers, and you just brace it. This is soup. Soup. Like you suck the soup. Like it's soup. Soup. Okay, next is jacket. 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 You know how you put on a jacket? You just put it on and you jacket. This is jacket. Jacket, okay? Next is tree. This is tree. Again, you get your non-dominant hand as this and tree. Just wave it back and forth. Tree. Tree. Next is rake. 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 Again, your non-dominant hand. Stay still. You're raking. You're raking leaves. You're raking. You're raking. Just brush it back and forth. Rake. Next is boots. 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 The 2 letter B's. Hang it down. Boots. Boots. And that's it, you guys. That's all the fall signs. So let's get into it. So you have fall, autumn. Then you have cool. Then you have leaf. Wait, no. Leaf. Then you have pumpkin. Then you have orange. Then you have yellow. Then you have red. Red. Then you have green. Then you have brown. Brown. Then you have apple. Then you have soup. Soup. Then you have jacket. 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 Then you have tree. Then you have rake. Then you have boots. Boots. That's it, you guys. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like or dislike, thumbs up or thumbs down, comment. Please, Pink Panthers, subscribe. Turn your post notification bell so you know when my next video is going to be here, okay? Follow your girl on Facebook at Pinky. That's PINKY space PINKY. And follow 2 of my Instagrams. One at Show the Pinky and the other at PinkyBear00. And like my saying goes, let's smile, be your style. Don't worry, be happy, okay? This your girl Pinky, PINKY, and I'm so fly. Make sure you subscribe to The Pinky Show and Mr. Shady. Holla at your girl.
Hey, this is your girl, Pinky! Pinky! P-I-N-K-Y! And it's time for Pinky's Entertainment, a YouTube channel providing pure fun, enjoyment, and laughter. Yup, you got that right!